Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the 15-inch Silver Mod trailer wheel with the 6 on 5.5 bolt pattern. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is your 15-inch Silver Mod steel trailer wheel with the 6 on 5.5 bolt pattern. So 6 lug, 5.5 being from center of one stud to center of the other stud straight across, 5.5 inches. It has a 4 1/4 pilot hole. The wheel itself is rated at 2,830 pounds per wheel. This wheel has a 0 offset, meaning it's going to sit right in the middle, so it's not going to push the wheel tire out further or in to the trailer. It's just going to sit right on that hub. It's the silver modular design, so it has the holes in it. That's what they call the mod wheel, with the circular holes in it. It comes with the valve stem, and it's ready to go. We keep these in stock all the time here at Trailer Parts Unlimited, so if you need some of these, just give us a call at 844-898-8687, or shop online at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.